Hello, I'm Nadia. Let's make some vegetable salads.
Vocabulary: vegetable salad,
This is a carrot. Let's grate it. Look,
a carrot, a carrot,
this is a cucumber. Look,
a cucumber, a cucumber,
this is a tomato. Let's cut it. Look,
a tomato, a tomato,
this is a pepper. Look,
a pepper, a pepper,
this is an onion. Let's peel it. Look,
an onion, an onion,
this is a tin of corn. Let's open it. Look,
tinned corn, tinned corn,
yummy.